Hey, Emily, why are you sitting so quietly?
I don't know. I just feel a little heavy today.
Heavy? Are you feeling tired or sad?
I think I'm feeling sad.
What happened? Did something go wrong?
No, nothing wrong. I just miss my home.
Oh, you're feeling homesick.
Yes, I was looking at my family photos.
That can make anyone emotional.
At home, this time feels so warm.
And here it feels very quiet, right?
Yes, too quiet sometimes.
How long have you been feeling like this?
Since yesterday night,
Did you talk to your family?
yes, I spoke to my mother.
Talking to parents can make us cry.
I tried to smile, but I couldn't.
It's okay. You don't have to be strong all the time.
Do you also miss your home?
Yes, especially after a long day.
Really? You always look okay.
I feel the same inside, I just don't show it.
That makes me feel less alone.
You're not alone here. I'm with you.
Thank you for saying that.
Do you want to talk more or have some tea?
Tea sounds nice.
Let's sit together and relax. I feel a little better now. Good. Tomorrow will feel easier. I hope so. Step by step, okay?
Okay. Thank you for understanding me. Always. We're in this together.
Oh, you're here now. I was starting to worry.
I'm really sorry, Lucas. I got stuck at work.
I see. I waited almost 40 minutes.
I know. I should have messaged you earlier.
Yes, that's what disappointed me a little.
I understand. You're right.
I'm not angry, just a bit upset.
Thank you for saying it calmly.
I value our time together, that's all.
I do too. I really didn't mean to waste your time.
I believe you. Still, it didn't feel nice waiting alone.
I'm sorry you felt that way.
I just wish you had informed me.
Next time, I promise I will.
That would help a lot.
Are you very upset with me?
Not very. I just wanted to be honest.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for listening without getting angry.
Your feelings matter to me.
That means a lot.
Can we still spend some time together now?
Yes, of course. I'd like that.
Thank you for understanding me.
And thank you for apologizing sincerely.
Let me get you a fresh coffee.
That sounds nice.
I'll make it up to you.
You already did by talking openly.
I'm glad we talked. Wow, you're smiling at your phone like something great happened.
It's not very big, but I feel really good.
Now I'm curious. What happened?
I spoke in English during the meeting today.
Really? That's great.
Yes, just 2 sentences, but still.
That's a big step for you.
I know, my hands were shaking at first.
I'm from London.
Oh, that's a beautiful place. I've always wanted to visit.
Yes, it's nice, but also rainy most of the time.
Oof, I can imagine carrying an umbrella every day.
I have two siblings.
Oh, really? Nice. Are you the oldest?
Nope, I'm the middle one. Sometimes it's hard being in the middle.
I know what you mean.
I love traveling.
Me too. What's your favorite destination?
Maybe Italy. The food, the places. Oh, I just love it.
Pizza and pasta. Oof, now I'm hungry.
I enjoy reading books.
That's great. What's your favorite book?
I really liked Pride and Prejudice.
Ooh, classic. Maybe one day you can lend it to me.
Sure, why not? I work as a teacher.
That's a wonderful job. Must be a little tiring, though.
Yes, sometimes. But the kids make me laugh, so it's worth it.
That sounds sweet.
I've been learning English for a year.
Really? That's impressive. Keep going.
Thank you. Sometimes it feels hard, but I enjoy it.
You're doing great.
My favorite food is sushi.
Oh, yum. I love sushi too.
But it's expensive here. Ugh.
True. But totally worth it.
I like playing soccer.
Awesome. Do you play for a team?
No, just with friends on weekends.
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll join one day.
I speak 2 languages.
Wow, that's amazing. What are they?
English and Spanish.
I wish I could speak Spanish. Teach me sometime?
Sure, why not? I'm married.
That's nice. How long have you been married?
Almost 3 years now.
Oh, that's beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Basic conversations.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner. Let me show you.
I don't understand.
No problem. I can explain it again.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. Here it is again.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer. What about you?
I'm a student, still learning.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
No worries. I just got here too.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course. What's your question?
I would like to order a coffee.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hee hee, hot please. Iced makes me shiver. Ugh.
Haha, same here.
What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
Oh, good. I still have time then. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Sure, I'll slow down.
Thank you. What's your favorite hobby? I love painting. How about you?
I like dancing.
Oh, nice. Maybe you can teach me sometime.
I'm learning English.
That's great. Keep practicing and you'll improve quickly.
I hope so. It's not easy.
But you're doing really well.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yes, let's do it.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day.
See you again soon.
Yes, see you next time.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.